Down yonder on the Chattanooga. Good morning.
We're going to the Botanical Gardens today because we actually reserved it, and
we're excited because it's Alice in Wonderland themed. Then we're going to Chattanooga.
Chattanooga today. All right.
All right, we're here. No, he was a she. Said, "Hey, babe, take a walk on the wild side." We're here.
We made it. First impression?
So nice.
Very nice. It's a little warm today, but most of it's shaded, so we're just walking around.
Look how massive that tree is. So cute. All right.
Stay tuned. We just left the Botanical Gardens. We're heading to Chattanooga.
What do you think of the Botanical Gardens?
I thought they were Botanical Gardens.
The Alice in Wonderland wasn't badass?
That was cool.
Yeah.
I guess the pros were pretty sights. Parking was easy. It was a little expensive, it was really hot, and it was actually pretty crowded considering everything's been going on. So if you're in downtown, you have an extra day and it's not hot out, go for it. Anyways, we're heading to Chattanooga, and we're going to be here for the next 3 nights. We have a couple cool things planned. I think that's about it. Mashed potatoes.
No. Hey, this is so nice.
So we're heading out to explore the city. First time in Chattanooga.
Oh yeah, Reggie.
I have a manly blackberry lemon sour, Dr. Robot. Monday Night Brewing Company, Dr. Robot blackberry lemon sour. Yeah. Rolls off the tongue.
What do I have?
A Jameson. On the rocks though, you ruined it.
Jameson on the
Irish would be upset. First impressions of Chattanooga.
I like it so far. I mean, we really just went around the corner,
Yeah, we
so
haven't been too far.
I love our hotel.
Very
I love
cool.
it.
We probably won't leave.
So cool. gonna be playing cards in this beautiful lobby, kind of pouring on and off. So we decided he kicked my butt in some pool, and now we're just gonna play some 2s and 10s, drink some whiskey while we wait, and hopefully we'll be able to get out to the river.
Update. It's called the Tennessee River. Reading this sign, learning more about the history of Chattanooga. And apparently when the Union captured Chattanooga during the Civil War, it was on
Today's date, but in 1863. That
this
is nuts.
the celebration of the Union to capture the rail center of Chattanooga. And we made it to the Tennessee River.
It's so nice here.
Apparently this is one of the largest pedestrian bridges in the country, I think. Last mission of the day, find some dessert.
Chocolate.
Success! So dessert at City Cafe Diner. Long day tomorrow. We're gonna go whitewater rafting tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be Heather's first time. Anyways, we got a carb load with some cake, and I think I got too many. I probably only should need to get one. Oh my god.
Put your hand there, babe, so you
I
can
wonder
see
what's
the
so heavy.
compares.
Yeah. This will be our dessert for the week.
Good job, Reggie. Hey y'all, how's it going? I can't.